In the 19th century, footwear was custom. Cobblers would make them with their hands, but that didn't scale. And so then in the 20th century, there was mass-produced footwear everywhere, right? And every brand had their own version of footwear and all these sizes, and we got to afford all kinds of shoes. In the 21st century, we can have both. We can have the ability to choose what you want with the ability to have it made custom. And in our case, we're saying scientifically validated, custom to you.
Wiivv is a very innovative company that's led with footwear research. This has been an exciting project because Wiivv is interested in really knowing how their intervention or their product influences dynamics when people are walking or running. And so that's an exciting proposition to be able to look at those things and to use what we have in here to help them answer some of their questions about their product and how it influences human movement.
The main innovation at Wiivv is our software stack, which takes the orders from the users and produces the 3D printed products. The main three components of this system are, it is scan agnostic, it has various computer vision algorithms built into it, and the orders are processed through adaptive manufacturing process. So scan agnostic means that we can process any type of imagery or 3D scans taken from any type of device like a smartphone or specialized 3D scanning devices. Computer vision algorithms are based on machine learning and deep learning, where we can extract the required data to construct the 3D models, which will be printed as a wearable product. Adaptive manufacturing process means it is a multi-product, multi-tenant and multi-process system where we can print any type of product, not only an insole, but any other wearable product for your elbows, for your knees. Based on the input, like if it's a 2D image or if it's a 3D scan, we can process the order in multiple ways suitable to that product. And multi-tenant, of course, means that we can work with various partners, various customers in a specialized way that they want their orders to be processed.
Your feet truly are the base of your body. When you start seeing problems biomechanically, when you're going through your everyday, if you've got problems at the feet, generally they're going to propagate up the kinetic chain. So that means they're going to move from your feet to your ankles, to your knees, to your hips, to your back. What we've been able to do is really enhance the base of your body to provide adequate support and cushion. And with the sandal, that's really what we're trying to achieve. The big issues with traditional flip-flops and sandals is there's absolutely no arch support underneath, and generally it's usually just a flat piece of foam. So the person's foot and ankle can go through some harmful ranges of motion as the ankle actually turns inward when you walk. So a lot of this goes back to the research that we've done to validate the insole and the function of the insole. And we strongly believe that if we're able to provide somebody with enough support and flex at the same time, then we're really going to be able to help them go longer during the day in these sandals. Because we are informed by all of our different customers who like to do different things with our products, we're able to take their feedback and integrate that into our product development cycle.
Not only do we use 3D printing in production, but our expertise in 3D printing also allow us to use it for prototyping and during our concept development of a new product. And so it allows us to iterate very rapidly on a design and get to a final product very, very quickly. But then the really exciting bit about what we do is that the rapid iterations don't have to stop in the concept design. We can take the rapid iterations into production as well. So when we launch our first product, we can then tune it every single day and improve it and optimize it as we're going along, rather than having to wait for the next product release. So in a way, our hardware development is becoming a lot more like software development, where we can permanently tune and update and release our products on a daily basis, which really changes how you think about product development.
Once you place your order through their app, it gets sent to a team of biomechanical engineers to validate that the arches are correct. From there, they get sent to our manufacturing facility in San Diego, where we 3D print your arches with a SLS printer at a nylon material. From there, we add that custom 3D printed aspect to the injection molded sandal to create a custom product for you.
We've looked at local manufacturing, how we can make that part of our company ethos and our own manufacturing. From the very start, we've always shipped from the USA, made everything in the USA, and we're also doing a lot of that for the sandal. Everything's going to be assembled in the US, and we don't have those large environmental costs that are involved when you're shipping things internationally. And so we've taken care of a lot of those headaches that we've had in the modern world when it comes to mass manufacturing objects, and we hope to scale this vision across the world where every city, jurisdiction, region could have its own manufacturing facility run and owned by Wiivv, shipping out products that are truly custom to each individual user. And I think that's what's really important to recognize is we're moving towards a world where everything's been made centrally to everything's been made localized and individualized.